What's up, YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria, in case you don't know. Let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay? Listen, it is October 18th, I think. At the end of the day, that don't even matter because
I don't know what happened with the audio, but don't forget to subscribe, y'all.
wait a couple seconds. Alright, cool. You clicked that little button? Alright, let's get to it. You saw that title. Do you want to know how to get paid $22 an hour or more to clean houses? I'm not lying. I swear to God. $22 an hour or more to clean houses. For real. Like I always tell you guys, as I'm learning, I'm going to help you guys learn too. So, for real, I was just scrolling. I was looking. Like I said, I always be looking and researching for more ways to make money. Because, you know what I'm saying? That's what we all here for. You know what I mean? Not really just for the money, but for a better, more comfortable life. With a more comfortable life, you got to have money in this society right now. At the end of the day, I found a heat. Home Aglow, okay? It is called Home A Glow. Alright? They don't pay me yet. Y'all can sponsor your girl. So sign up that paperwork. You know what I'm saying? Because like no for real, this is a serious opportunity for people who have the time where if you have 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, you can get paid over $100 for one job. You know what I mean? Seriously. You set what you want to get paid. You tell them, all right, boom. I want to get paid $22 an hour. The platform does take $3 from that hour, okay? $3 ain't much. Out of 22, you still get paid 18. That's way more than what we get in regular jobs. All right? So, you get that money. Okay? And then you can get multiple listings a day. So, I made my account and that should be popping up back to back to back. More and more requests, more and more different jobs that I can actually choose from. And you know what I'm saying? And it comes in areas close to me. It comes to, you can choose the radius on how far you want it to go out. But when I tell you this job is super cool. And like if you need your house clean, because like for us moms out here or for us people who don't like clean all the time, and you know what I'm saying, want to hire a little help, you can do that through the app too. Or through the website. At the end of the day, it's kind of like housekeeper.com, but way better. Pays way better. Okay? So all you have to do, go on Google, go on Chrome, type in Home A Glow. Okay? Once you type in Home A Glow, it's gonna show Become a Cleaner. You're gonna click on the Become a Cleaner link. Yes, I will be including a screen recording of me doing this step-by-step tutorial like I'm telling you right now. I want to let you guys know, I'm here to like to jump ahead and give you a little bit extra, you know what I'm saying, walkthrough. Stay to the end of the video and you're gonna get that, okay? It is highly important that you do know that yes, they do background checks. So baby, if you be stealing, you ain't gonna get this job, you know. But it's for the people who got clean records and who really want to make some money. All right. At the end of the day, not having a clean record will mess you up in the long run. So don't be over here making stupid mistakes, doing stupid stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because then you're gonna be paying for it later. Literally paying for it because you're not gonna get paid. You know, for it. At the end of the day, I want you guys to understand that when it comes to these jobs, you are an independent contractor. So, you know what I'm saying? The site hires you to do a service. That's why you're doing background checks and everything. You know what I'm saying? They ain't trying to get sued for sending crazy ass people to somebody's house. You have to show that you got the cleaning supplies. So, the second thing that you do besides your background check, once you go through the background check, they gonna want you to upload a picture of a vacuum, some towels, maybe some gloves, and some all-purpose cleaner. Them three things. If you have those three things, you can clean somebody's house. Usually, most people got more than that. You know what I mean? Most maids and housekeepers be having way more materials than that. And, you can add on to it as you go, just so you see what you need. Just by going to different people's houses, seeing the needs that's needed, and kind of build up your supplies from there. It's very important. But at the end of the day, those are the only three things that you need to get ready on the site. Take a picture of it. They little, because it honestly, they want to know that you're not gonna go to these people's houses unprepared. You know what I mean? So as long as you can send them a picture of your vacuum, your towels, and your all-purpose cleaner, they will go in and they will, you know what I'm saying, be like, hey, look, she got it, he got it. What's up? And then you can claim whatever comes by. Like I said, you may have 3 requests come in for Monday, 2 requests come in for Tuesday. You have to go to the site and actually claim those jobs. So even though those jobs are coming across your board, they will not be automatically assigned to you. You have to claim those jobs. And once you, because they will be within your pay rate, okay? Like I said, once you choose how much you want to get paid, you're only going to receive jobs that is paying that much, okay? Because at the end of the day, you want to get your money, and you're going to know how much money you're going to make. So it's going to say, all right, boom, you can make you got a 5-hour job, $22 an hour, pay $93. Okay, 93, 80 something in that range. At the end of the day, that's almost $100 for 5 hours. That's way more money than you're gonna get working at a regular job. Because at a regular job, they be paying $10 an hour, $50. You know what I'm saying? So like, if you add on a couple more dollars to that, that's 60. Like, that's not enough. You know what I'm saying? That's really not enough. So if you want to make some shabbat, you want to make some money, get paid to clean people's houses. You know, I'm cool with OCD. You know what I'm saying? Y'all feel like, oh, things gotta be in certain places, certain areas. This is the job for you, okay? I done gave y'all so many different jobs: work from home jobs, remote jobs, jobs you can go to, jobs you don't have to go to, jobs you don't have to be on the phone with. This job right here is not for everybody. For my people who like to clean, baby, sign up, because you choose how much you get paid. You know your worth, and you be like, yeah, listen, I can clean for a little 2-3 hours. Do it. Extra side money. And then as you constantly get more jobs gonna come in. Cause then you recommend it, baby. For real. Like, don't sleep on the bag. Like, don't sleep on the bag. Cause if you sleep on the bag, other people not. And now you ain't get the same opportunities. Hey, you ain't get the same opportunities that other people got because you don't care. You know? So, don't be late to the party.
So, guys, as you can see, the website is relatively simple. You just go to it. You can kind of look through it a little bit if you want to, just to see what is on there. Like I said, you can book them for a cleaning as well. If you need it, you know what I'm saying, anybody can do it. And there's some deals, as you can see, that they have available. But click on Become a Cleaner after you click on that menu up there. And once you click on Become a Cleaner, it shows that you can make some ciabattas. With this job, you can set your own rates. You can literally make your own schedule. And when I say set your own rates, you choose how much you want to get paid. And like I said, the app or the website will take $3 from that. You know what I'm saying? Because they need to make their money too. And you get paid weekly. Like, what's better than getting paid weekly? Don't nobody want to wait 2 weeks. Don't nobody want to wait a month. Like, get paid weekly, y'all. It's the best thing. Especially if you know how to save your money. You can still get stuff paid and buy what you want. It's highly important. Check it out.